Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. And if you're looking for something interesting to do for this Diwali, then watch this video till end because in this video I will be sharing amazing Diwali ideas which are coming next for you. So now without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Coming of Diwali season, let's start our first idea with a candle stand. So our first idea is kind of 5 minutes craft plus best out of waste. So firstly, here I'm using this cardboard roll or toilet roll, whatever you call. So I will be cutting it into half. So I kept one bigger and other one smaller. So here I will be using this leftover fabric. So all you have to do is just simply wrap the fabric around the tube as shown in the video. So I will be making this DIY very simple because I will be decorating this with a couple more ideas which are coming next for you. So watch this video till end. Now I will be closing one end of the tube with a design sheet. My one is a thicker one. If you have a thinner design sheet, all you have to do is cut a circular cardboard piece, glue that on top of it. So that's it. Now I will be covering rest of the tube with this design paper. Do repeat the same thing with the other one. Just to add more elements, I am using this fancy lace. Instead of this, you can go with a satin ribbon, or you can add some kundans, pearls, mirrors. It's totally up to you. Here is the end result. Hope you like it. So moving to our second idea, here I will be using these two boring stones which I have collected from my garden. And I will also share two ways to decorate these stones into a deco piece. So let's get started. So firstly, here I will be painting this stone with some blue acrylic color. And I will also mention the shade of the color on the screen so that you can create the same look. And then here I will be using metallic gold and acrylic color just to create a border sort of thing. And here comes the best part. To cover the rest of the stone, here I will be using some kundans, stones, just randomly glue it on the stone. Instead of this, you can also use rhinestones, pearls, kundans in different shapes and size. It's totally up to you. You can be creative in gluing them. And once you're done, it's going to look something like this. And wait until it's dry and you're done with it. So for our second stone, I thought of to go and mix pink and red acrylic color because few touches of pink can go with any decorative style, is it? So moving to the next step, again I am using this golden acrylic color as a border, and the leftover color which is on my brush, I will be using that just to enhance the stone. And now I will be painting the rest of the stone with some copper metallic color. So I will be completing my DIY by adding a small mold which I have collected from an old invitation card. And that's pretty much it. So here's the end result. It turned out super creative and I'm super happy. And make 2 to 3 of them. Keep it on your center table. You're good to go. It looks so beautiful. I have also decorated my center table with these stones, So the clip will be at the end of the video, so watch this video till end. Getting into a light festival, I get into a decorative mode with lights. So third idea is a kind of a candle holder or tea light candle holder. For starting the process, place a wrapper on your table and apply some Vaseline on your hands and the surface, and then you're good to go. So here I will be using this clay, which is also a part of my DIY. If you want to know this, how did I made it, just do let me know in the comment section. And instead of this, you can also use a mud clay or air dry clay or white cement clay. It's totally up to you. So now coming to the process, a good amount of clay and make it into a nice round shape, and then just roll it with a roller pin, but in my case I have just done it with my fingers. Take a leaf of your choice and apply Vaseline on the both sides of the leaf, and once you are done, just place the leaf on your clay, gently press it just to get the effect of your leaf. So now to give this clay a nice leaf shape, here I will be using a screwdriver. Instead of this, you can also go with knife and cutter. I've also tried, but I'm not happy with that. This is so easy with screwdriver. Yeah. Make sure that you do this immediately after placing the leaf. And once you're done, if you're happy with the shape of the clay, just remove the rest of the clay. Now to give this clay a curve shape, what I will be doing is I will be placing a round cap. Top of that I will be placing this clay. On top of that I will be adding some weight. Here I just added some shells and a glass bottle. Now wait until it's dry, and once you're done, it's going to look something like this. It took me around 8 hours to dry. So it totally depends on the thickness of the clay, and you can see the leaf is still healthy and green. That's just because we have applied Vaseline on the leaf. And here is a close look of our product. It looks so beautiful, especially the veins are clearly visible on the clay. You can paint this with your favorite acrylic colors. So nowadays metallic acrylic colors are attracting me more, so here I will be using metallic acrylic colors in copper shade, and on the borders I will be using golden acrylic color. As you all know, for the first one I have used copper and golden acrylic color. For the second one I have used pink and golden acrylic color, but third one is my favorite. For that I have applied base of yellow, and top of that using a fan brush I have applied orange. On top of that I have used some golden acrylic color. Now place some candles in the center and you are done. And I have also decorated my center table. Our next idea is a DIY toran. For this, here I will be using this velvet paper. You can get this velvet paper in any stationery shop between 10 to 20 rupees, I guess. Instead of this, you can also use velvet cloth or any cloth. But मुझे ये personally ये बहुत ही cheap and affordable मिलता है, so that is why I have used this. And then here I will be going with such cutouts. So मुझे ये shape के चाहिए थे, that's why I went with this cutout. Even you can use this cutout. This looks so beautiful on your wall. On your doors. On back of it, I will be sticking some cardboard pieces. Now I will be using some satin ribbons. You can get satin ribbons in different colors. So now I will be using a dark pink shade. And then here I will be using this fancy lace which I got for 4 rupees per meter. And now I will be painting this area with red acrylic color. top of that, I will be gluing some mirrors. So now I started painting this area with some red and yellow acrylic color. So now I wanted to enhance this area, that's why I started using 3D outliners, but later I felt if I leave this area empty, it looks more pretty. So that's it. Other than it's look beautiful. So guys, if you haven't yet thought of to decorating your center table this year, then here I am, let me help you. Firstly, here I placed a running cloth. Actually, this is a blouse piece which I have borrowed from my mom. And next I will be adding this tray. On top of that, I will be adding some simple DIYs which I have just showed you. Firstly, I will be adding this tea light stack. And then I will be adding some fake flowers, some stones and this DIY candle holder. The end result has been created a longer impact on my table and on my room. Hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.